Lakshmi Singh Physics 10th solution. By what other name is the unit joule per coulomb called? Volt. Which of the following statements correctly defines a volt? A volt is a joule per coulomb. What do the letters PD stands for? PD stands for potential difference and voltmeter is used to measure potential difference. What is meant by saying that the electric potential at a point is 1 volt? Important question है. Electric potential at a point is 1 volt means 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point. How much work is done when 1 coulomb charge moves against a potential difference of 1 volt? Potential difference, that is 1 volt, charge moved 1 coulomb, so then work done is equal to potential difference into charge moved equal to 1 joule. What is the SI unit of potential difference? Volt. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference of 12 volt? Work done is equal to PT into charge moved, 12 into 2 equal to 24 joules. What is the unit of electric charge? It is coulomb. Define 1 coulomb charge. Important question. 1 coulomb of charge is that quantity of charge that extends a force of 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton on an equal charge is placed at a distance of 1 meter from it. Potential difference is measured in volt by using a voltmeter placed in parallel across a component. Copper is a good conductor while plastic is an insulator. What is meant by conductors and insulators? Give 2 examples of conductors and insulators. Conductors, those substances through which electricity can flow, are known as conductors. For example, copper, silver, etc. Insulator, those substances through which electricity cannot flow, are known as insulators. For example, plastic, cotton, etc. Which of the following are conductors and which are insulators? तो conductors silver, copper, aluminium, nichrome, graphite, mercury, manganese है. Insulator sulfur, cotton, air, paper, porcelain, mica, bakelite, polythene है. What do you understand by the term electric potential or potential at a point? What is the unit of electric potential? The electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Unit of electric potential is volt. State the relation between potential difference, work done, and charge move. Potential difference equal to work done upon charge move. Calculate the work done in moving a charge of 4 coulomb from a point at 220 volts to another point at 230 volt. Work done equal to potential difference होता है work done into charge move, और वर्क डन इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इंटू चार्ज मूव इक्वल टू यहाँ पे होगा 10 into 4. डिफरेंस है यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का 10 और चार्ज मूव हुआ है 4c 4 कूलम, तो ये 40 जूल. यहाँ पे ये वर्क डन इंटू चार्ज मूव है. Name a device that helps to measure the potential difference across a conductor. How much energy is transferred by a 12 volt power supply to each coulomb of charge which it moves around a circuit. तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के लिए मेजर करने के लिए तो वोल्ट मीटर होता है, और 12 वोल्ट पावर सप्लाई के लिए यहाँ पर जो है वर्क डन है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इनटू चार्ज मूव. पीडी यहाँ पे गिवन है 12 भी, चार्ज मूव हुआ है 1 कूलम, तो 12 into 1 12 जूल. Since work done on each coulomb of charge is 12 joules, तो energy given to each coulomb of charge is also 12 joule. What do you understand by the term potential difference? The potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit charge from one point to the other point. What is meant by saying the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt. It is the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt, means 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of electric charge from one point to the other. What is the potential difference between the terminals of a battery if 250 joules of work is required to transfer 20 coulomb of charge from one terminal of battery to the other? तो ये डिवाइड होकर होगा, वर्क डन है यहाँ पर 250 जूल, चार्ज मूवर 20 कूलम, तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वर्क डन अपॉन चार्ज मूव इक्वल टू 12.5. What is voltmeter? How is the voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? A voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel across the 2 points where the potential difference is to be measured. State whether a voltmeter has a high resistance or a low resistance. Give reason for your answer. Voltmeter हमेशा high resistance का होता है, so that it takes a negligible current from the circuit. 2 volts cells are connected in series and used as a battery in a circuit. What is the PD at the terminals of the battery and how many joules of electrical energy does 1 coulomb gains on passing through one cell? All 3 cells. अगर हम इनको सीरीज में करेंगे तो टोटल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इनका सम होगा, तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस 6 वोल्ट हो जाएगा. PD 2 वोल्ट है एक बैटरी के लिए, चार्ज मूव किया 1 कूलम, तो PD इंटू चार्ज में इक्वल टू 2, तो 2 जूल ही हुआ. अगर 6 वोल्ट का PD डिफरेंस हो जाएगा, चार्ज अभी भी मूव कर रहा है 1 कूलम, तो वर्क डन 6 जूल हो जाएगा. The atoms of copper contains electrons and the atoms of rubber also contains electrons. Then why does copper conduct electricity but rubber does not conduct electricity? Copper has free electrons that are loosely held by the nuclei of the atoms. These free electrons result in the conduction of electricity. The electrons present in the rubber are strongly held by the nuclei of its atom, so rubber does not have free electrons to conduct electricity. By what name is the physical quantity coulomb second called ampere? Coulomb per second, ampere current. What is the flow of charge called electric current? What actually travels through the wires when you switch on a light? Electrons move करते हैं. Which particles constitute the electric current of a metallic conductor? Electrons होते हैं. In which direction does conventional currents flow around a circuit? कन्वेंशनल करंट हम मानते हैं कि पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव टनल जाती है कन्वेंशनली, और इन विच डायरेक्शन डू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो, ये उल्टा होता है, नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ आते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन शोज द करेक्ट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिकल यूनिट? 1 एम्पियर होता है 1 कूलम पर सेकेंड. व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? एम्पियर. How many milliamperes are there in ampere? 1 ampere, 10 raised to the power 3 milliampere. और माइक्रोएम्पियर में 10 की पावर 6 माइक्रोएम्पियर. Which of the two is connected in series? अमीटर और वोल्टमीटर. अमीटर को तो हम सीरीज में लगाते हैं, वोल्टमीटर पैरेलल लगाते हैं. अमीटर से सारी करंट का फ्लो होगा. Compare how an ammeter and a voltmeter are connected in a circuit. अमीटर सीरीज में लगाएंगे, वोल्टमीटर पैरेलल लगाएंगे. What do the following symbols mean in circuit diagrams? Variable resistance, closed plug key. A 20 coulomb of charge pass a point in the circuit in 1 second. What current is flowing? I equal to Q upon T, तो 20 एम्पियर ही होगी. करंट जो है 4 एम्पियर की 10 सेकेंड में पास कर रही है, तो हाउ मच चार्ज फ्लोज पास द पॉइंट इन द सर्किट इन दिस टाइम? Q I इक्वल टू Q अपॉन T, तो Q हो गया I इंटू T, 4 इंटू 10 इक्वल टू 40 कूलम. What is the current in a circuit if the charge passing each point is 20 C in 40 seconds? I equal to Q upon T, I equal to 20 upon 40.5 ampere. A current is a flow of electron. For this to happen, there must be a closed circuit. Current is measured in amperes. Used an ammeter placed in a series in a circuit.